Hi everyone. You always see me out in the garden meditating and working out and doing quick little videos to show you just a little slice of the pie for our day. But I do wanted to come out here and show you the garden. Our goal with the nursery is to use up as much space as possible all around the border and the edges of the property. We have 330 linear feet on each side. So we're trying to use the entire frame of the property as garden beds. This is one of the ones that we have. Here we've got planted the Siempre Viva, which is that Bamoda. We have the oregano. We've got green onions. We have cassava. And you just have to watch your garden and weed out anything that doesn't belong so that your plants can grow lush and healthy and you can propagate more plants from it. And so that we can grow some of these beautiful, lush, full plantains, a lot of work does go into this. We have to constantly clean out any of the dead leaves that may be preventing the fruit to receive nutrients. And we also have to tend to the babies as they grow out. Here you can see we recently planted some yuca or cassava. Can't wait to taste those once they're ready. Here we have some pumpkin that we have been growing all throughout the farm. These actually sprouted very quickly. We planted these on October 31st. And this is very powerful. And we can't wait to see our pumpkins growing. So yeah, these aren't even 30 days old. And look at that, all organic. So we weeded out some of the Siempre Viva, some of the oreganos. We trimmed them down. Trimmed down the green onions there. I've been experimenting a bit in having a no waste type of life, and I started to plant every seed of Hass avocados that I would buy, and this one sprouted. So I'm very happy. Something that I just started playing around with. And this is one that sprouted. I have a few others, but I'm very proud of this one. This is my first Hass avocado plant. I took a pause from working outside because the girls are about to leave school, and I made us a bison ground beef zucchini lasagna. I try to do easy things that I can just pop in the oven so that we can continue to work on the farm. and balance looks like this sometimes. Enjoying a moment at the park with the girls while I do a little bit of office work.